lana-ke kuthi kungenzeka ukuthi you started this journey right. Started this journey with fire, but a lot happens. Just like the virgin when they slept, a lot happened. So it happened that you fell. Wow, it's okay. The Bible says that the righteous fall 7 times and get back up 7 times again. Ne? So now, usawenjalo, you are busy nursing that pain. You are no longer in the right standing with God. The relationship now, it's no longer the way it's supposed to be. Yabona khona into ukuthi people says, but you cannot have a relationship if you don't love yourself. It's the same ukuthi you cannot claim you love God, but you don't even, like you only read the Bible, nofike esontweni. Or you don't even nabafunda iBhayibheli, you scroll through social media. You only pray nawusesontweni. Other than that, that's it. Bazalwane, let's come back to God, because now into engenza ukuthi, just imagine if Jesus were to come back right now. Where would you be? If Christ were to come back right now, are you gonna be part of the wise virgin or be part of the foolish virgin? Ask yourself.